This is the 325 piece heat shrink wire connections, and this is supposedly marine grade. You can see that they have three different colors. They have red, blue, and yellow, and they're for the different sizes. And so if we open it up, we can see that that's what we've got in there. And there was a handy dandy instruction manual that was included with it, and it has the instructions in a bunch of different languages, but basically using it is quite simple. If we have let's say that we have something like this right here, you can't really see in the end of it, but basically there's a little place for wire to go down in there, and you can just put the wire in there, and then this thin area right here in the center is exactly where it needs to be crimped. If you have a professional crimping tool like they talk about on the box, that's fine. You can kind of see the wire going in there, and you can see the wire's not going in all the way, but that's okay, because you can always heat this end down here, and that will shrink around what's left, so you won't have to worry about anything being exposed. But if you have a professional crimping tool, you can use it. I don't, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this pair of needle nose pliers just right there, and make sure that the black didn't come out. And I'm just going to squish it super tight, and it's already pretty good, but just to make sure that we have it as tight as we can get it. Gonna put that on there like that, and I'll just use another pair of pliers on the end here and just be able to really apply some pressure. And that takes care of that. That's really all you need for that. And then if you want to do the heat shrinking, I don't have a heat source with me right now, but you can either use a heat gun like they talk about on there, that will work quite well with it, or if you want to, you can literally just grab a cigarette lighter, and you can just put a cigarette lighter around this and just spin it around, and that will cause this to tighten up as well. But you can see though that they've got several different types of connectors in here. I'll use the big guns just because that'll be easier for you to see. They've got just the spade or the fork connectors. They've got a few different sizes of the hole connectors. Then they have some both male as well as female versions for those, and then they also just include some regular butt connectors, and they have those in like I said, all the various sizes, all the way from as small as 22 gauge wire all the way up to 10 gauge wire. So it seems like a pretty good set. There's 325 of them in there, so it should last forever. And that's a quick review of the Sopoby 325 piece heat shrink wire connection kit.